This is my EDC pouch. I used to put this in my bag every time I go to work. I always have this pouch. And let us check what is inside my EDC pouch. I carry fixed blade inside my pouch, and this is the buck knife Alpha Scout Pro. Really nice fixed blade, a small little fixed blade. I carry this every day. It's inside my pouch. And I had also a little plier, a little Knipex. A small adjustable wrench. Knipex 150. And inside the pouch I have a small flashlight, stream light, and I had also my Benchmade Osborne inside the pouch. Really nice. And I had also my little multi-tool, the Victorinox little multi-tool. Because sometimes I need to cut some plastic, hard plastic like that, or wood. I use this. And I had some first aid. And then I had my Knipex plier. This is my everyday carry inside my pouch. Nice little one. And I had my Victorinox Spirit RT. I use this like the long nose. I use this as a regular plier, and this is acting like a long nose. So it's really nice to have multi-tool like this. And in my pocket, this is the one in my pocket. This is my everyday carry in my pocket. And the pouch is very durable. I had this pouch already about maybe 17 years or 18 years already. It's still looking good because I put this inside the bag. You can see the dirt over there. So I have this one is inside my pocket. It's not included to the pouch. So this is the one I had inside the pouch. The Victorinox Spirit RT. And then the little Victorinox multi-tool. And I have a little flashlight. And sometimes we need a fixed blade. So this is my carry fixed blade. And I have a backup pocket knife. There's also a Osborne and the two Kinepix plier and adjustable reins. And thank you for watching again.